What does a healthy lifestyle look like today? I'm going to break it down into 3 simple things. Number 1 is to make sure you are getting some form of movement every single day. Now, I know we have busy lives. We all work full-time jobs. Some of us have kids. But if we don't make time for movement, then we're going to be sitting for most of the day. And sitting for long periods of time is actually more detrimental to our health than actually being overweight or obese. So even if you're really busy, try to break up your day with some sort of movement. It could be just getting up from your seat every 30 minutes, stretching, walking around the block, going for a quick jog, or hitting the gym. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just get your body moving. Number 2 is to make sure that you are eating healthy. Again, I know we have busy lives. A lot of us end up not cooking, and we end up eating a lot of takeaways, which is very detrimental to our health because a lot of these takeaways are super processed. They're high in sugar, they're high in salt, they're high in refined carbohydrates, and they don't really fill us up. So even though we might think that we're saving time by eating them, it actually ends up affecting our health negatively, and it makes us feel a lot worse. So if you can, try to cook at home. Try to avoid those processed foods. Try to get your protein with every meal, whether that's chicken, beef, fish, or plant-based protein. And also, make sure you're getting plenty of fruits and vegetables. And number 3 is to make sure that you are getting enough sleep. Now, a lot of us don't realize how important sleep is. We think that, we can sacrifice sleep for other things like work, or studying, or watching Netflix. But what happens when we don't get enough sleep is that we end up feeling very fatigued during the day. We can't focus as well. And we actually end up gaining more weight because our hormones are out of whack. So even though we might think that we're getting away with not sleeping enough, our bodies will definitely let us know at some point, and it will catch up to us. So make sure you prioritize your sleep. Try to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night, and try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, because that helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which is our internal body clock. So those are my 3 simple tips for living a healthy lifestyle today. I know we all have busy lives, but if we don't make time for our health now, then we're going to pay for it later down the road. So start making small changes today and stick to them consistently, because it's not about one big change that you make and then you never stick to it. It's about making small changes consistently over time that will add up to big results. So, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time.